What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see I got Dolo out, so I'm about to take a ride right quick. Business purposes only. So I ain't even been driving this car like that. I ain't even been driving it. I just want to get it to my 100% specification. Peace of mind, I say 100%. So I'm about to drive it over to Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication. We on the countdown, man, before y'all finally hear the car, for the ones that can't make the car meet. And I hope we able to still have the car meet, cause it's a percentage of rain right now. I'm gonna make the call Friday for sure, let everybody know I go live. But it's a percentage of rain right now, so we hope they go down. Or maybe it might rain in the early morning, like 2-3 o'clock in the morning, then the rest of the day clear. But we can't call right now. So I'm finna drive this thing over to Lawless, cause Jesse gonna put on the lift, get the exact measurement so we can get a I'm about to get a dry shaft made, a high dollar dry shaft. I ain't saying nothing else. I'm just getting a high dollar dry shaft. I ain't saying nothing else. But we're gonna get the exact specification, the exact length and all that. I want him to measure so we make sure it's on the money. So that's what I'm about to do. And then the whole purpose of this vlog, when I get back, I'm gonna holler at y'all about Big Meech, cause I've been going up and down. I'm like, I might tell everybody what's going on, what I got going on with Meech. So I'm gonna think about it more while we drive. But right now, the point of the vlog is to tell y'all about Big Meech. So y'all just stay tuned so you'll know what's going on, what I'm about to do. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. So I'm back, y'all. We got Dolo put up, man. I was just chilled over there on Lawless for a second. Hollered at the guys, man. Just chilled over there, tripped out and stuff. So we got the measurement for the dry shaft. And Jesse actually got the plug, so Jesse gonna get the dry shaft for him. I'm just gonna order through him. I'm putting the aluminum dry shaft in there. I said I wasn't gonna say nothing, but I'm putting aluminum dry shaft in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that ordered through Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication. So I said, man, y'all shop with them. The number on the screen, they do it all. It's one-stop shop. You can take your a frame and a body there. They'll put your whole car together. Street car, race car, whatever. Custom plumbing, turbo plumbing, all of that good stuff. Boom, boom, everything. We do everything. So we're gonna have the aluminum dry shaft coming for Dolo. I have a peace of mind then. Then it's gonna go back to Hustle Hard Performance for the fuel system. Since my guy Frank built the engine, so it's going back to Hustle Hard for the fuel system. Going all braided. We're getting that 3.8. Y'all know it was budget, man. It was budget oriented, man. That's what it started out as. It started out right here with that right there. That's what it started out with. And still gonna do something with that. Y'all see I got my cam shaft. This ain't old, this a whole nother cam shaft. But this cheapskate cam shaft right here, I'm gonna use it with something now. I got 2 engines. I got one at the shop, I gotta get 2. I got my other small block at the shop, I gotta get. But that cheapskate cam shaft, man, ain't even got 300 miles on it, so I'm gonna use that for something. Give me a stall converter. Cause it need a stall converter. That cam shaft called for a 3,000 stall converter. We'll do something with that. We're gonna turn that into a stroker. Y'all already know I said it. That's gonna turn into a 388 stroker. Cause it's already 60 over. Keep black pistons. Pistons, everything else was good. So I still gotta put it on the engine stand, drain the oil out. And we're gonna see what we do with that, man. We're gonna turn it into a 388 stroker, but I'm probably gonna go ahead and build it up, build a short block, buy me an engine stand, keep it right here, and wrap it up in saran, and have me a short block ready. So we got a part. Got mufflers. I got enough stuff to put a whole car together, really. But alright, man. Y'all really rock with me, man. I already been waiting. I've been making y'all wait to hear Dolo and all of that. I said I already not telling y'all the cubic inches on Dolo and all this stuff, man. Not right now. End of the year, I tell everybody. So the least I can do is tell y'all what I'm gonna put in Meech. I ain't telling you the cubic inches on that either though. But I can at least tell you if it's small block or big block. Cause I was gonna pull me a nice little slick move. But I got a big block. I got me a big block. It's done already. I have it. It's done. Now, what kind of power it is, I'll tell y'all later. And by power, I mean, like, Dolo is hustle hard power, right? So, who is powered by, I'll tell y'all later. I'm gonna tell y'all after I make my first hit with Meech. But y'all gonna love what I do with Meech. I'm gonna do something that really ain't been doing, that folks ain't doing around my way, I should say. So, I got a big block. So, it's done. It's done. It is done. Showtime, we're doing the 400 transmission Ultra Bell. I'm gonna say that. We're doing the Ultra Bell. I'm gonna have a trans brake. Of course, manual valve body. So, that's what's going in Meech. Now, I can at least tell y'all that, man. I can tell y'all that. They're gonna have to wait till the end of the year for everything. The end of the year, after I'm done at the tracks, doing what I do the reveal on Meech and Dolo. I pop the hood. I do a video. I pop the hoods at the same time, or I might split them up. But right now, I ain't doing that. If you really with me, this and that, then you already know what's going on. But like some people say in the comments, man, Jay, you real Brown Coat Gang members, BCG, man. I gotta come up with a way for real. So them people right there, y'all can see some exclusive stuff. I got to come up with a way. Them die hard ride or die, come up with some can see some stuff. Cause it's a lot of people when I do my video talking about engine and stuff, or I'm on the track, that's all they come to. They come and click on that and this, that. I don't want them people that just clicking on here and there. I don't want no people seeing all the exclusive stuff. So I am, that's fair, man. My loyal ride or die people, I gotta come up with some kind of way. So y'all, it's like, even though y'all not right here, y'all will be right here, you know what I'm saying? It's just like my cousin. Everybody know that my cousin, they're my family. They're one of my right-hand men, my little bro Cedro, that make my beats. Y'all know they're my right-hand men. You know, guys like that, you know, you keep them around, you gonna tell them everything. They gonna know. Jesse know about my stuff, all that. Frank did, of course, but you gonna tell them that. So I know I got some loyal people that watch my videos. Even though I haven't met them, I know if they was around the way, we'll probably be good friends, like family. Now some people not, some people fake, but we ain't worried about that. So I say I've been thinking about this. I'm gonna come up with a way so my loyal people can know what's going on. Maybe I have come up with a way they already get to see the engine, this and that, but I gotta make it a way so ain't no junk getting leaked out. Ain't nothing getting leaked out. When your circle tighten it, ain't no stuff get leaked out. Don't nobody know about my cars like that. Don't nobody know what's going on. The real deal. Don't nobody know. People don't know what's going on with John Jones. Only thing people completely know what's going on with is the Cutlass car. It's my slowest car, and I don't seriously race it. It's my cruise. I don't really kill. So, but I at least told y'all that, man. This the reveal. That's what I said about with the title. I tell y'all what's going on with Meech. At least what's going in there. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. I'm gonna shoot a good lie, boy. I'm gonna say a small block going in it. No cap. I was gonna say a small block. Meech getting a hot small block. That's what I was gonna say. And people just gonna have to take it and run with it. But I ain't gonna do y'all like that though. See, I gotta pull the cover off. I gotta get me a thumbnail. Y'all know that. I said, man, I ain't gonna do my folks like that, cause they already. You got a few snakes and stuff come watch the content, or people watch and try to act like they don't, you know. But it's cool. So I said, man, I'm gonna tell my people what's going on. Going in here, Meech, you going back to your original form, but way better. I'm not exaggerating, way faster. Meech going back to his original form, big block. That's why I told y'all I got the headers for sale. That whole box Chevy exhaust system, I can't use none of that. It's too little. Fuel system got to be changed. Fuel pump, everything got to be changed on it. So that's why it's a big block. It's a big block, man. And I really don't want to pop the hood right now. Cause people will see one thing and probably scare them away. Cause if you into the car and stuff, it's certain stuff you can look at on the engine. You ain't got to know the cubic inches. It's certain stuff you can look at on the engine and know it's some pressure. Cause it's certain stuff some engines need, some of them don't. But some stuff you can look at and already know what type of time somebody on. So that's why I said that's another reason I'm not gonna pop no hood. Jay, is it gonna be a race car? Nope. I told y'all nothing I build gonna be a race car. I don't care how fast it goes on the track or how much of a race car it may look like by the passes it make. I will always drive my stuff. People gonna be shocked when they see Dolo leave on the track. I promise you. I promise you now. Y'all know by now everything I say I make happen. Everything I say I make happen. People thought this thing right here was just he just capping. When I really let this car right here go, John, for real, people gonna be shocked. And if you follow me on Facebook, you already know what I said I was gonna do last year. Like, no lie, y'all. This true story. When I first got John, I made a status and I said it feels good driving a XXX. Put my ET right there. It feels good driving a so-and-so car or ran on the street. I had a guy say, did it already do that? I said, nah, but I know it will. Cause I had got my time on the hard tires. I already know. I've been racing long enough. I said, I know it will. Well, until it does it, it's not this and that. I said, okay. Okay. So I did my stuff, got the car back, ran it one time after that. Did before I did even more stuff. And then I put up a clip. He hit me. He hit my inbox and said, man, I'm just curious, what did it do, man? Cause I got one like that, this and that. I told him it did what I told you it was gonna do way back. I told y'all, man, I be paying attention to y'all, to people's names when they say stuff. I don't forget nothing. As I told you, it did what I told you it was gonna do. So just know, y'all, if I say something now, I mean it. People gonna be shocked when they see Meech leave. People's gonna be shocked. That's why I say I don't even know where it's gonna sit in the fleet. I don't know where it's gonna sit in comparison to the John. I don't know. Maybe the two in the front for a reason. Maybe they're in the front of the pad for a reason. I don't know. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I had to tell my Brown Coat gang folk what time it is. That's why I'm posting it over here on my Life of JMalcom channel and not my JMalcom 2004 Ride channel. Posting over here. My smaller channel is the Tight Knit Family. So yeah, that's it. That's it, man. I appreciate y'all.